So here's an interesting sight of my backyard today. Sparrowhawk on the fence eating another bird, and he's just sitting here. Usually they take off and go somewhere else, but this guy just decided to join us for breakfast. We were actually eating outside when he was on the fence and pulling out the feathers. Look at those feathers flying. He's just tearing them out of that bird. Oh, he's hiding his meal from us. Went behind the little bushes there. Man, he's just going at that bird. So I've watched this hawk. He crashes these birds in all my trees in the backyard, but I've never actually seen him catch one. I usually see the little birds that he's chasing get away. Looks like this morning he's caught one of the birds. Our neighbors has a big bird feeder, so there's always tons of birds here. So, and our house is kind of provides a shield, so they come diving over the houses and swoop down, and all the birds go flying, and he tries to catch one of them. Oh, here he is, just chowing down on the birdie. Breakfast. Must be nice to be the apex predator. Just eat things below you.